Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be doing this gorgeous install for you guys. I'm going to be installing this gorgeous unit that I got from Hermosa wig. I slayed this wig. Honestly, I'm super shook. I'll show you guys how I cut some layers into it because I wanted to like make it look very like va-va-voom. So I did cut some layers into it. I'm probably going to go in and cut some more layers into it. So if you're interested in how I achieved this look, just keep watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are going to be doing a wig install video. I have this gorgeous wig that I want to apply. It's gonna be a closure. I slicked my hair down into a mini ponytail. She's growing. It's like ponytail length right now. I tried braiding my own hair and literally it was an epic fail. I flopped at it so bad. So I was just like, till I could go to my hairstylist and she could braid down my hair for me, baby, we're gonna gel this down. So my hair is gelled back. It's grown a lot. And I'm just gonna apply this wig cap on top to just kind of keep my sideburns down. Now I'm gonna be installing this wig from Hermosa Hair. She came in this color jet black. I bleached the knots, didn't really do too much. Dyeing, I did pluck it. I didn't pluck it too much because I'll probably pluck it as I apply. I don't want to over pluck it because I feel as though like when you over pluck your wig, there's no going back. So I just plucked it a little bit. This wig is 26 inches, 13 by 4 frontal. Now this is the wig they sent to me, so my opinion is based on this wig. So it's not based on nothing else but this wig I got in my hand. I am gonna be doing the ball cap method. I'm just gonna pull this back a little bit because I'm using 2 wig caps. I noticed like some stylists do this. Oh crap. I noticed that some stylists do this and I guess it just helps protect your hair even more, which I'm totally fine with. Let the center part dry first and then do the sides. And honestly, got to be free spray is probably the best like thing to use when it comes to doing ball cap method in my humble opinion. And it doesn't mess up your hairline because baby, we getting older, we need our edges. I am about to apply my Revlon 450. I'm almost done with this. But trick is you want to go a shade darker than your actual foundation color. People say use your foundation color. I say go a shade darker because it just kind of, it looks more natural. I haven't wore a wig in literally a few days. I've been so slumped, guys. Like honestly, so slumped. My part might not be straight, but we could fix that. Oh, pretty. See, I didn't pluck too much off this wig because I just knew that it would be best for me to pluck it while it's on my head. This one, yeah, I didn't pluck it too much on this side either, which I'm totally fine with. Like, I don't need it to be over plucked. Let me just tint that edges. And we're gonna pull the hair away from my face. Like that. So this is what we have going on. I plucked it, but I didn't do too much because I was just really scared of over plucking it. Sometimes I over pluck my wigs and then it just looks bad. So I need to clean my hairline. So let me go and get some sea breeze to clean out the hairline. Dry it down. I'm gonna be using my bold hold glue to apply this wig. I want to know what position that works. And I'm just gonna apply. This first half of the wig, and then I'm just gonna use my comb to like lay it down. So I'm gonna be using my Tresemme Extra Hold Spray, and that's what I'm gonna use to kind of like lock my hair in. Just like get in the hairline. And I'm just gonna take this, tie it down, and let it sit for about, I don't know, 10 minutes. It's laid. It looks good. Let me make sure I blend it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's given. It's given. I don't think I'm gonna leave the hair with no baby hair. I think that's what I want for this style. Like no baby hair. Just a nice bust down with no baby hair. So I'm gonna curl this hair. Yeah, it looks good already. Literally. Can't wait to curl it. I'm gonna definitely add some layers. Oh my gosh. Definitely gonna cut some layers into it. Look at the ear tab part. I am gonna have to like do like some baby hair. Just the ear tab. But other than that, I'm actually glad that I left it like this thick. I'm not gonna lie to you, because I have a lot to work with. to this unit. So it's just not one flat wig. So get you one of these and then just like start chopping. What that does is like it just adds like some really nice layers to your wig. Look at this. Sorry, I'm gonna move back. Look at this side compared to how flat this side is. So this is how my hair turned out to look. It looks so good. Excuse the noise from the background. It looks so good. I didn't do anything to the edges, just left it as is. I could actually wear it like half up, half down, but we're just gonna leave it like that because it's late and I'm not even trying to do too much because I'm about to go to bed. But this is how this wig turned out to look for Hermosa. How I got these curls is with my curling. I've had this wand forever. Like, this is a trusty wand. I'll try to link it if I could find it. But I've literally had this wand for almost 5 years and it hasn't broken, knock on wood. Actually, I only need to knock on wood, but it hasn't broken. It has lasted very long. This install turned out to be super good. As you guys can see, I did minimal leave out. Didn't really want to do too much of a leave out. I didn't do baby. I said minimal leave out. I'm tired. I did minimal baby hair. So no baby hair right here. No baby hair right here. Baby hair is mainly the sideburns. I did a little bit of baby hair on the this area because I didn't want it to just be like, you know, no baby hair and then sideburns. Like, that's not cute. So I just did a little bit so it could kind of flow. Kind of looks like I have a fresh perm going on. I did cut some layers into it. I might cut some more layers because I feel like this one could like probably have a little bit more body to it, this side. Let's see. Yeah, this side could have a little bit more body to it. It looks really good. Yeah, I did cut some layers into it and it looks really, really nice. I really like it. I might go back and cut some more layers later on. I don't know, but baby, it is late. I'm tired. I'm like literally just tired. I want to go to bed. But this install is so bomb. This is 26 inches. I didn't cut it. Let me stand up for you guys. I have my mic, so don't mind me. But this is 26 inches of pure greatness. So pretty. I didn't dye the hair jet black. The hair actually came jet black. I'm so happy that they sent me jet black hair. I didn't request jet black hair, but they knew that I was gonna dye my hair jet black anyway. So thank you so much, Hermosa, for sending me this wig already jet black. It gives me less work to do. Now, once I'm done with this like video, I'm gonna cut this wig shorter because I want it short. I don't know. I just want like a short moment. Let me see how it looks. Long is nice. Don't get me wrong. Long is nice, but you know, I'm just getting to that point where like I just like my wigs like shoulder length, you know. And when you get longer wigs, I feel like get long and then cut it, you know. But I just wanted to show you guys how it looks. 26 inches of pure greatness. I love the layers that I cut into it. Like I said, I might go in because I cut layers right here. Can y'all see I was giving body? We needed to give body on this side too. So let me use my razor just to cut some, because like what layers does is it makes the hair look fuller. And that's what I wanted, is for the hair to look super full, super big. The hair is already full itself, but I want it to look fuller. So that's what I ended up doing. This hair is soft, it's bomb, it's nice. This install turned out so good. I'm glad that I did such a good job. I haven't installed a wig in a while, so I'm super excited to install this wig. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Hermosa, so much for sending me this gorgeous unit. I hope you guys enjoyed this install, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.